Hi and welcome to Myra. Many times our decision on finalizing a design depends on what seems right, where a rational question would be what feels right. 90% of our buying decisions are impacted in the first 90 seconds of its exposure. The use of color is pervasive in visual communication. When harnessed for marketing and website designing, color can wield profound experiences for users by its ability to please the senses. Humans respond not to just perception of colors but also to the thoughts and emotions evoked by it. Hence, utilizing color psychology to effectively market your product is the key to it. In today's video, we will explore the relationship between color and consumer behavior and branding and when to use which color. For example, a company that sells organic products would prefer using shades of green rather than red or blue on their packaging. Because many consumers make purchases on a subconscious level, it is vital to select colors that are somewhat obvious and in alignment with the product. Many marketers understand the importance of utilizing right color for their brand. For example, the combination of red evokes feelings of attention and urgency, and the color yellow creates a sense of optimism. The blend of these two creates a sense of happiness, excitement, and grabs the user's attention. Brands need to incorporate proper usage of colors to provoke their customers on an even deeper level and to evoke emotions and impact their moods. Although our preferences changes with trends, but our perception and response to colors rarely varies. According to studies, the words that were printed in colors were 78% more likely to be remembered than the words that were printed in white or black. Let's proceed to understand color and conversions. With the advancement of neuromarketing research, researchers have found a connection between color of the product and urge to purchase. In a research study published by Moz, an online slot machine changed their call to action button from yellow to green. This resulted in a massive 187.4% rise in conversion rates. Color plays an important role in shaping a brand's perception and can surge conversions by almost 80%. Let's understand color and branding now. Some products have been re-energized and organizations have been revamped because of color. For example, Instagram reconstructed its logo in 2016 and changed it to a lens with gradient using pink, purple, and yellow color. As a part of the process, a research was conducted where participants were exposed to a few shortlisted logos. After exposure to those for a brief period, participants were asked to recall and draw a logo in 5 seconds. Almost all of them remembered and drew the current logo. With this conclusion, the logo for the app was finalized that strikes a balance between recognition and design. Brands have adopted certain colors as a part of their identity. Even if the brand name is not visible, the color can be associated with the brand. For instance, the logo of a Coca-Cola is white over red. The bottle caps, merchandise, and even the trucks are red. Consumers have associated the color red with Coca-Cola. It is not a coincidence that so many popular social networking sites are blue in color. This is because the color blue encourages communication and interaction. The color red creates a sense of urgency which makes it suitable for clearance sale or call to action buttons. It also kindles appetite and has been frequently associated with fast food chains. It physically stimulates the body and has been associated with movement and action. McDonald's chooses the energetic color which appeals to children, triggers appetite, and creates excitement. Further, it also drives home the message to the users by its tagline, "Love in it." Color green has been associated with health, power, and nature. It is usually used in stores to relax the customers and promote eco-friendly and organic products. It stimulates harmony and encourages a balance leading to decisiveness. Starbucks is one of the major global brands that employs green in their logo. It attempts to promote a sense of relaxation in its cafe, thus inviting customers for a coffee break during stressful days at work. Orange is a combination of red and yellow. It is ideal for designs that need movement, action, and energy. Harley Davidson uses orange to communicate physical activity in terms of adventure, excitement, and vitality. Harnessing color psychology principles will give designers a better hand at understanding human behavior, and once incorporated, they can be used to impact conversions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned.